Hi guys, it's Philip Dalton, run a small family roofing business based in Sheffield. Today I'm talking about bay windows. I've got a call off this customer who've got a bay window where water's coming in and I think it's a blocked outlet. You can see it's got a small parapet around, so there's nowhere for the water to go apart from the outlet. Now the outlet is somewhere here. Here it is, I've found it quickly. It's a very tiny small outlet, so all the water has to run through here. So if the outlet gets blocked, like it's blocked with leaves, then it's likely that it can leak. I'm also going to check all these seams as well on this blue-grey felt, because some of these seams could be allowing water in, but I'll get my scraper and I'll check that. You can also see on this bay window as well next to it, that one's also blocked and that's leaking. So I'll have to find the outlet and unblock that one.